heading home from work. So enjoying this late night POV style. And let me know if you guys like it. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos.
What?
It's my first time doing this night POV, so I'm not sure how it'll come out.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let's see, I can do some pulls for you guys.
You're going to jail.
Hopefully this one-
You're going to jail. Drive, floor it.
Pull for you guys real quick. That was crazy.
You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
Thank you, sir. Ooh, there's some Mustangs up there. Let's see if they want to play. I want to see if the guys want to play. Put it in drag mode.
Damn!
I don't think we can. It's too much car. Is that an S650? Oh, it is S650. I think it's the Ecoboost though. Is it? Yeah, it's an Ecoboost. Never mind. Yeah, I don't want to bully him. Okay guys, if you guys like this kind of video, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.